Replacement filter cartridges with a combination of carbon and zeolite. Chemical filter media removes pollutants and odors from aquarium water. Improves color and clarity of water and provides a healthy environment for your fish. Designed for use with all Marina 1 gal. 3.7L aquariums including the Marina Pirate Aquarium Kit and Marina Mermaid Aquarium Kit. Includes 3 replacement filter cartridges. Marina T100 replacement aquarium filter cartridges are for use with all Marina 3.7L, 1 US gal aquariums, including the Marina Pirate Aquarium Kit and the Marina Mermaid Aquarium Kit. Marina replacement aquarium filter cartridges remove pollutants and odors, and improve water clarity and color. For more fish tank accessories, check out the other Marina products including aquarium filters, filter media, aquarium heaters, aquarium air pumps, aquarium lights, aquarium decorations, aquarium gravel, aquarium rocks, aquarium thermometers, and aquarium stands. Marina has a wide variety of products that are perfect for your pet fish or betta fish to enjoy in any large fish tank, small fish tank or in a freshwater tank. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement filter. These filter work great. Our tank filter technically needs cartridges with a top tab instead of a side tab, but those are harder for me to find. With these, I just snap off the side tab, rinse under cool water, and pop them in the filter. Perfect fit.